Hello guys, good morning. Kain tayo. Ito lang yung ulam ko. Nakain ka na na. Mas magkakape ako.
Napasok ka lang na. Kakain ako dito. Diba? Pagkapasok ka lang. Kasi kanina guys, nung pumasok kami dito, medyo kumalun namin yung mga balay ko. At kaya iba talaga. For me, tingin ko kasi mas naging sensitive na ako, iba na yung energy ko na pagpasok dito lalo pag hindi naman siya pwede kaya medyo pero parang nandiyan na what makes the Yamaha electric continuously variable transmission or YECVT important? It gives you stronger acceleration when you need it. Engine braking down
Init. Pala, malapit na yung birthday ko.
on flags.
Sa July 20, July 1. Wala tayong panghanda.
The advantage of manual control on an automatic. That's the YECVT. And we'll tell you how it all works. Why it gives you ride more power, more control, more confidence at your pace. Automatic motorcycles are convenient, but conventional CVTs are purely mechanical. Lower rates
Hello guys. Birthday ko sa July 1.
that changes the fuel rate.
Wala kaming handa.
This response depends
Sana may mag-sponsor, no? Masubukan maging sponsor.
on protection. That's
Yung
why
pansit lang.
CVT even more special.
Game sili. Suka.
It adds electronic components to
Hindi naman di manghang sili nak, no? Natin baka maya maanghang na yan.
so you can choose
Sana sa gaya, sponsoran nyo naman ako. Try kong kain ko ano kaya feeling. Kain.
an electric motor controls the primary
Ah.
speed directly. This allows you to access torque sooner. Hold RPM while controlling status. And create engine braking on command. When you open the throttle, the transmission control unit checks your current speed. Your engine RPM
Sana guys, sponsoran nyo ako sa birthday ko. Try, makasubukan man lang.
then it chooses the ideal ratio and moves the sheet into position.
Nalagay ko yung Gcash number ko dyan.
With YECVT, you can influence how the engine behaves using ride maps. Select sport or
Sili, ulam,
your choice.
suka.
Touring mode settles engine speed, lowering to reduce noise, vibration, and rider fatigue.
Itong bahay na pinira namin na yun, guys, dito amin.
Distance wise,
Mupahingan kami.
paces, and sitting comfort. The system prioritizes efficiency while remaining smooth. Sport mode keeps the RPM higher. This positions the engine closer to export speed for quicker acceleration. Perfect for overtakes, merges,
Ulam.
spirited lane changes. The shift button allows you to select a shorter reduction ratio instantly.
Anghang.
Each press lowers the ratio one level. You can access up to 3 levels depending on speed. Shorter ratio means stronger pull.
Ang haba ng video.
RPM response. When you open the throttle quickly from the start, YECVT can trigger a downshift automatically. This gives you torque when producing laterals without moving your thumb. Descending a slope increases speed naturally. Tapping shift
Bye guys. Sana supportahan niyo ako sa birthday ko. May mag-sponsor. July 1. Malapit na. Sunod buwan. Lalagay ko yung Gcash ko dyan. Thank you guys. Hanggang dito na lang. Mahaba ang video. Thank you for watching video. Bye-bye.